Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get up to $500 in coupon value for existing user. So you know that for new users, Temu usually gives out a lot of free coupon codes, right? But for existing users, it might be a little more hard. But you can see when I log into Temu here, there's already a pop-up here that says 100 coupon bundles. So you can see I have a $100 coupon bundle right here, right? But you can see you need to scan to download for the new user gift, right? So these are a coupon bundle, but you will have to download the app by scanning the QR code here. So what are our other options, right? So we can go to a website called retailmenot.com view/temu.com. And in here, there'll be a lot of codes here, right? It's like $100 off, 80% off, up to 80% off, a sale, 85% off, hot sales item, up to $50 off, and all of these stuff. Now you can see you can also even do dollar shop, $1 or less on thousands of items, right? And you can see if you keep using all of these codes, it'll add up to $500 really, really fast. So you just have to click on get deal here, and then it'll redirect you to Temu, and then it'll be automatically applied right here, right? There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.